Hi everyone, in the front of me I've got POCO X3 GT and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So first of all, we have to open the browser. In my case, it will be Google Chrome, but no worries. This operation of removing the history looks similar in all other browsers which are commonly used. So I'm pretty sure that you will figure out how to do it in your browser based on this tutorial. So let me open the Google Chrome, and here we have to tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. I've got this icon to update. However, trust me, here we've got the three dots icon, and then let's tap on the history. As you can see, we've got the list of all previously visited websites, and if you want to, you can remove them manually one by one just by tapping on this X button right next to it. However, if in your case this list is long, I highly recommend to do it automatically just by tapping on Clear Browsing Data. Here you can decide what you want to remove. So in basics, we've got the browsing history, cookies, site data, and cached images and files, and in advanced we've got also this section, so the passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. So if you want to remove something, make sure that it is marked. I will remove everything. We can change the time range from last hour to, for example, last 4 weeks or even all time. So if you're ready, just tap on Clear Data, and as you can see, the history is empty, which simply means that we just successfully removed everything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.